This video number 2 for class 7th. In this video I'm going to explain you exercise some questions of exercise 4.1. Okay, in my first video I explained the meaning of equation, okay, how to check the solution, meaning of solution, and some questions from exercise 4.1. Now in this question I'm going to explain few questions like fourth uh, ninth part I am taking in this. Okay, I'm reading the question. In this question you have to write the equation for the following statement, and the statement is, if you add 3 to 1/3 of x you get 30. Now listen, if you add 3, I have to add means I have to add 3 on some number here. Okay, and that number is what? 1/3 of z. 1/3 of z means 1/3 of z multiply z. This is the meaning of 1/3 of z. So 3 is added on 1/3 of z, you get 30. So this is the answer for the fourth ninth part. Now let's take the fifth question. In the fifth first part, the equation is this. Okay, now what you have to do, write the following equation in statement form. Means I have to write a statement for this. Okay, in fourth statement was given and I have to convert it into equation form. Now here equation is given and I have to convert into this statement form. Okay, so this is what we can say that there are many ways to write a statement. So we can write that 4 is added to a number p. The result is 15. Okay, or we can write like this also, that sum of p and 4 is 15. Okay, so there are many ways to write this. Let's take the third part. Okay, I'm not doing the all questions, few parts I'm giving, likewise you can do it. So here we can write 2 is multiplied to a number yeah, we can say to a number m to get 7. So likewise we can do. Now fifth part, here it is written 3m upon 5 is equals to 6. We can write like this. See, 3 upon 5 is what? 3/5. Okay, so we can write 3/5 of a number m. Okay, of a number m is 6. Okay, now sixth first part. In this question it is asked to set up an equation in the following cases. The statement is, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times marble Parmit has. Okay, now see, I have written the question. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles. Okay, Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Okay, it is given in the question to take m to be the number of Parmeet's marble. Okay, let's leave that. We can leave that also. Okay. See, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than what? 7 marbles more what? 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Means it's 5 times the marble Parmeet has. It means the marble that Parmeet has, the 5 times of that marble, है ना, that we have to take. So do we know the Parmeet, how many marbles does Parmeet have? So we take it that let's Parmeet has m marbles. Okay, now what will be the 5 times of m? It will be what? 5m. Now we can solve it like this. See, let Parmeet has m marbles. Okay, then now instead of 5 times the marbles you read 5m. I'm just telling you a trick. Okay, now read once again. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5m. Okay, so 7 marbles more than 5 means what? Means I have to add 7 in this 5m. Okay, so Irfan has this much of marbles. Okay, if Parmeet has m marble, then Irfan will have, this will have a marbles with Irfan. Okay, but according to the question, Irfan has 37 marbles. So Irfan has what? 37 marbles. So this means that this 5m plus 7 will be equal to 37. So this is a required equation. Likewise, you can do the rest part of this question number 6. Okay. Now let's take the one more question of 6 part, that is question number 4. Okay. Now in an isosceles triangle, okay, we have been given an isosceles triangle. Let's draw a triangle. Okay, you know the meaning of isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. Let's take these two sides equal. The vertex angle, this angle, is twice either base angle. Means this is a vertex angle. Okay, and these are what? These are base angles. Vertex angle, and this is a base angle. Now the question is, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Okay, so we have to form an equation. See, the base angle is not given. Okay, since two sides are equal, then its two angle will also be equal. Which two angles? The angles opposite to equal side. Means these are equal sides, so opposite to them these sides are equal. Means opposite to this side is this angle, and opposite to this side is this angle. They are equal. Let's take it as x. Okay, if this x, this will also be the x. So we can say that let base angle be x. Now then, according to the question, vertex angle will be twice the base angle. Means twice means this 2x. Okay, so we have to form a equation. So we know that when you add all these angles, the sum is what? 180 degree. That is, if you add this is what? This is 2x now, and this is x. So sum of angles is 180 degree in a triangle. So one angle is 2x, other is what? X, other is also x. This is 180 degree, or we can write 4x is equals to 180 degree. This is your answer.